Meron tayong new arrival na 2023 Toyota Race CVT automatic transmission na almost brand new condition pa. Under the hood guys, meron tayo ditong 1.2 liter na CVT transmission na super pino pa manakbo at kompleto pa ng mga kasa markings. Pagdating sa wheels, meron kang 16 inches alloy wheels na naka Bridgestone tires. Pagdating naman dito sa harap, meron kang halogen headlamps, LED day running light, fog lamps at functional grille. Dito naman sa interior, so far maayos at all intact pa naman lahat. Meron kang fabric seats dito na sporty look, may mga red trims na rin dito, touchscreen infotainment system, digital climate control, automatic transmission with manual shifting mode, intact na steering wheel, may audio controls, analog and digital display with 45,000 kilometers on the clock only. And guys, yung mga sun visors niya at yung infotainment system may mga plastics pa. Kung gusto nyo to guys, 595,000 pesos lang to. Napakagaan na ito gamitin, user friendly at basic lang ang maintenance. Kaya kung gusto nyo to, tumawag ka na. Peace out.